Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss our latest videos. In the vast realm of science, there are discoveries that change the course of humanity, and then there are those that lurk in the shadows, whispered about but never confirmed. Human cloning, a topic of intrigue, debate, and countless conspiracy theories. From the birth of Dolly the sheep, the world's first cloned mammal, the question arose, if we can clone a sheep, can we clone a human? And if we did, would it be ethical? But beyond the moral and scientific debates, there's another layer to this story. Whispers of secret experiments, undisclosed facilities, and a potential treasure trove of DNA samples collected by companies promising to trace your ancestry. Today, we dive deep into the enigmatic world of human cloning, separating fact from fiction, and exploring the tantalizing possibility, are there clones among us? Before we delve into the clandestine world of human cloning, it's crucial to understand the science behind it. Cloning, in its essence, is the process of producing genetically identical individuals. This can occur naturally, as in the case of identical twins, or it can be orchestrated in a lab. The most common method, somatic cell nuclear transfer, involves removing the nucleus from an egg cell and replacing it with the nucleus from a somatic cell, a body cell other than a sperm or egg cell. This modified egg is then stimulated to divide and develop into an embryo, which can be implanted in a surrogate organism. It sounds straightforward, but the process is fraught with challenges. While cloning animals like sheep, cows, and even dogs has been achieved, human cloning remains a far more complex endeavor. But just because it's complex doesn't mean it's impossible. And where there's possibility, there's potential for exploration, both in the light of day and the shadows of secrecy. As with any groundbreaking science, the realm of cloning is not without its share of rumors and hushed conversations. Whispers of secret labs, undisclosed experiments, and covert operations have long circulated. Some claim that human clones already walk among us, undetected and unknown. Others suggest that powerful figures have funded clandestine cloning projects, seeking immortality or the ultimate power to create life. But among these rumors, one stands out: companies that collect DNA samples. You've heard of them, right? Those kits that promise to reveal your ancestry or find distant relatives. With millions of DNA samples at their disposal, these companies possess a treasure trove of genetic material. Could they, in theory, have the resources to venture into human cloning? It's a chilling thought. The very tool people use to discover their past might be used to shape the future in unimaginable ways. The potential of human cloning is vast, but so are the ethical dilemmas it presents. The very act of creating a human being in a lab, a mirror image of another, raises profound questions about identity, soul, and individuality. Would a clone have the same rights as any other human? Would they possess the same consciousness, emotions, and aspirations? Beyond the philosophical, there are practical concerns. The unknown long-term effects on a clone's health, the potential for exploitation, and the risk of creating beings for organ harvesting or warfare. And then there's the public's perception. The majority view cloning with suspicion, influenced by dystopian movies and literature. The fear of playing God, of unleashing something we don't fully understand, is palpable. Yet, amidst these concerns, the allure of mastering human cloning remains. The promise of medical breakthroughs, of conquering diseases, and perhaps, the most human desire of all, to defy mortality. Throughout the years, whispers of secret cloning facilities and mysterious births have permeated the fringes of society. Some claim to have seen identical humans in different parts of the world, leading lives completely unaware of each other. Others speak of underground labs, hidden from public view, where the elite conduct experiments away from prying eyes. There are testimonies from alleged former employees of these clandestine operations, speaking under the veil of anonymity. They recount tales of advanced technology, of humans grown in vats, and of the powerful individuals who fund these endeavors. Then there's the curious case of companies that collect DNA samples for ancestry tracing. With millions of genetic samples at their disposal, they possess a treasure trove of data. Could they, in theory, have the resources to clone a human being? And if so, to what end? While these accounts are often dismissed as conspiracy theories or the ramblings of the misinformed, they persist. And in a world where technology advances at an unprecedented rate, the line between science fiction and reality becomes increasingly blurred. The very idea of human cloning stirs a tempest of emotions and questions. If these theories hold a grain of truth, what could be the real intentions behind such secretive endeavors? Power? Immortality? Or perhaps a workforce that doesn't question or rebel? Imagine a world where influential figures could have duplicates, ensuring their legacy and influence remain undiminished. Or consider the potential for armies of identical soldiers, each one as capable as the next, without the unpredictability of human emotion. Beyond the strategic implications, there's the profound ethical dilemma. Cloning, in essence, challenges the very fabric of our understanding of individuality, identity, and soul. If you clone a person, do they possess the same rights, dreams, and desires as any other human? Or are they mere products, devoid of free will? The vast repositories of genetic material held by DNA testing companies further muddy the waters. With such a wealth of information, the potential for misuse is staggering. Could these samples be used without consent, creating clones without the original person ever knowing? As we delve deeper into this enigmatic realm, it becomes evident that the implications of secret human cloning experiments are vast, touching every facet of human existence and morality. The realm of human cloning, shrouded in mystery and conspiracy, is a testament to humanity's insatiable curiosity and, perhaps, its hubris. While the evidence remains largely anecdotal, the very persistence of these theories underscores a collective unease with the rapid advancements in genetic science. The questions are endless. If we possess the capability to clone, should we? And if we do, at what cost to our moral compass and the very essence of what makes us human? The stories, the whispers, the alleged sightings, they all point to a world on the brink of a scientific revolution, or perhaps, a Pandora's box best left unopened. As we stand on this precipice, it's essential to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Whether or not secret human cloning experiments are real, the discussions they provoke are undeniably relevant in our age of genetic exploration. In the end, the quest for truth continues, and perhaps one day, the shadows will part, revealing the reality behind one of the most tantalizing mysteries of our time.